Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Teachable account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently close down your Teachable school account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to permanently close down your Teachable school anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that it's pretty common for you to switch over to different service providers, and maybe you want to go ahead and close down your Teachable school. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Teachable dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Teachable account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to permanently close down your Teachable account, here on the left side, you're going to click on Settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see another menu here on the left, and you want to make sure you've clicked on General. Once you've done that, you're going to see the global settings for your school, and you just want to scroll all the way to the bottom. Okay, once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see this red button here, Delete School. Okay, once you do that, this pop-up's going to happen. So they do let you know if you delete your school, it's going to permanently and unrecoverably remove your school and all of the content. So there's not going to be a way to recover this. You can't email Teachable and ask them to reinstate it once this happens. If you're sure you want to permanently close down your Teachable school, click in this box and then just type out the complete URL right here, and then you'll click on the delete button. I'm not going to do that because I'm still using my Teachable school. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to permanently close your Teachable school account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.